How you doing, folks? These are folks from, I believe, Pennsylvania. They come down for Rvdiagnostics, and they are going to talk now.
Go ahead, Deb.
Well, we've spent close to 8 hours today, and we have learned more from Jeff about our motorhome than we learned in the 2 years that we've been using it. It has been a true education, and my head's ready to
It's all right.
explode.
And you made personal little videos, which you're allowed to do.
Yes.
Do you
took all
belong?
kinds of notes.
And y'all belong to the website, right?
Yes, sir.
There you go. And the Facebook page.
And the
Yeah.
Facebook
God bless
page,
you.
Yes.
And we
we've
highly
got-
recommend
we've
it.
got-
And what
yes.
year's the coach?
2004.
And what is it? A
Newmar Mountain Air.
Mount Air. Woo!
Yeah,
That's the big
old
girl.
43
Yep.
footer.
That's the big girl.
The woolly
Yeah.
mammoth.
Yes.
She has a name, Woolly Mammoth.
And what part of Penn are you from? Pennsylvania?
Pocono.
Oh, nice. Nice.
You are
up there, Jeff.
Yes.
Yeah, we're really happy about everything we learned because we had no clue. We bought the motorhome and that was pretty much given to us, and Jeff explained everything.
And
Every
that-
single button.
That's my wife over there.
Oh,
She's the one that
Well, he does
tolerates
have a
me.
name, but we still
Oh,
haven't found
that's
out.
Laura.
it's his wife.
Yeah.
Okay.
Laura.
Laura.
All right.
I'm Patty.
We're gonna. Yep.
And this
I'm
is Deb.
Deb.
Hey, Dad.
Thank you, Jeff, for everything.
No problem. No
Thank
problem.
you.
Glad to have y'all down here.